Cape May County Technical High School offers a full comprehensive high school education along with career and technical education, or CTE. Programs are integrated with area businesses, industry and trade schools, and colleges or universities, providing crucial educational opportunities that extend far beyond the high school's walls. At Cape Tech, you'll find a salon, a restaurant, an automotive garage, a greenhouse, a hotel, conference center, and many more real-world learning environments. Not to mention, the nearby waters and salt marsh provide a natural learning environment second to none. Cape Tech currently offers programs in allied medical, automotive technology, carpentry and property management, communication arts, computer technology, cosmetology, culinary arts and hospitality, environmental science and sustainability, future educator, HVACR and sustainable energy, law and public safety, marine maintenance, marine science, power sports, pre-engineering, veterinary science, and welding. Other new additions coming soon are dental assisting, electrical trades, exercise science, and plumbing. All freshmen start with our unique exploratory career studies. During this first-year course, every student learns about the career programs offered at Cape Tech. At the end of freshman year, students choose what program they would like to pursue. At Cape Tech, it's your future, your choice. Not only must students complete the same course requirements and testing as any other public high school in the state, they also meet the requirements of a career and technical education, a 3-year program, all in the same length of a school day. Students learn by doing while striving for academic excellence, seizing opportunities to soar ahead of peers their age. Cape Tech offers college prep programs, dual enrollment, and advanced placement courses. Dual credit programs provide college credits to students who wish to attend participating colleges. Our honors and advanced placement programs are aligned to match college offerings. Many CTE programs also culminate in license testing for industries including cosmetology, automotive, welding, childcare, and more. Regardless of what program students go into, Cape Tech provides students with the skills and knowledge to begin a career right after graduation, go to college, or succeed at a trade school. The school's career and technical education models have earned numerous local, state, and national recognitions, and so have the high school's community service projects. Cape Tech's elective courses provide even more opportunities for students to explore fields of interest. They include art, ceramics, digital photography, intro to fashion design, criminal law, journalism for new media, peer leadership, Holocaust and genocide studies, mythology, and more. Students learn the value of becoming good citizens too. Student government, peer leadership, Future Farmers of America, Key Club, and the National Honor Society are an important part of that. These organizations help round out the incredible variety of student leadership opportunities. Our students also appreciate some of the spirit and traditions here that become memorable parts of their high school experiences. We offer extracurricular clubs and sports matching almost any interest and providing yet another way for students to learn about themselves and one another. Cape Tech students have the option to participate in Cape Atlantic League sports including baseball, basketball, cross country, golf, soccer, softball, swimming, and volleyball. Esports and cheerleading are also offered. Intramural sports include bowling, archery, and girls flag football. Clubs include Skills USA, Student Council, Surf Club, Mock Trial, and more. Whether students are together learning, working, competing, or playing, they appreciate the core concept that education is vitally important to everyone's success. We are proud of our facilities which support hands-on learning and student engagement. Last year, Cape Tech opened Hawk's Nest, a 7-room hotel right on campus, as well as a 240-seat conference center, The Perch, a cafe and eatery, a media center, and a college and career readiness center. Construction continues on the esports arena, as well as a renovated 2-story boathouse with a new dock, boat slips, and road access. We know we owe it to our students to match their level of excellence. We invite you to be a part of all this and more. Apply online at capemaytech.com, where there is no cost to apply and no cost to attend. Not to mention, transportation is provided by your sending school district. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to learn more about becoming a Cape May Tech Hawk.